Hi, I'm Kelsey. I'm thrilled to share with you some insights into my project titled Fish Assemblage Variability on High Macroalgae Reefs. Here are myself and my field mates Martina and Mats, just off Havana Island, one of our key sites for the project. This project was all about investigating the intricate dynamics of fish and benthic assemblages living on high macroalgae reefs. These ecosystems are both ecologically significant and highly dynamic, yet their biodiversity patterns at fine timescales are relatively understudied. Our primary goal was to conduct comprehensive surveys across an entire year to understand the composition and variability of benthic, Martina's job, and fish communities, my job, inhabiting these reefs. By doing so, we aim to shed light on the dynamics of the algal and coral assemblages and identify how fish distribution and abundance are influenced by these dynamic habitats. The generous Morris Family Trust grant of $3,000 enabled us to conduct 2 crucial field trips. In total, this support facilitated 39 nights of accommodation, 6 days of research on dinghies, 6 days on the vessel Eurydice, and 328 litres of fuel, along with 6 return transfers. We relied on these crucial trips to gather the final fish and benthic data for our series of 6 weekly surveys at Havana and Orpheus Islands, allowing a comprehensive snapshot of reef ecosystem dynamics to be captured. Spurring us on through these efforts, a plethora of incredible wildlife, from tiny nudibranchs to majestic manta rays and playful whales, were great sources of inspiration throughout these trips. Though analysis and writing are ongoing, the 2 papers we intend to publish from this research in the coming months will form key chapters in Martina and my PhD theses. This figure demonstrates one of the interesting patterns unveiled so far. It shows the canopy height of the Macroalga sargassum on each survey trip on each of our survey sites at Havana and Orpheus Island. While the majority of sites displayed one peak in canopy height on the reef flat during summer, one site on the north of Havana exhibited 2 separate peaks. This may indicate staggered spawning by 2 sargassum species, a strategy which may facilitate coexistence at this site of high algal diversity. How fishes were influenced by such patterns is still being determined, but as I found in an article published earlier this year, macroalgal patches host an abundance of small and juvenile fishes at Orpheus during summer, when high algal biomass and fish spawning coincide. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Morris Family Trust for their support of this project. Thank you. Additionally, I extend my thanks to Orpheus Island Research Station and our volunteers who made this work possible. Finally, to the Munborough people, we acknowledge elders past and present, and your continuing custodianship of the sea country on which we worked.